Hello from Premia Global Advisors in Coral Gables, Florida. Well, a new year has begun, but in some ways it feels like 2020 is still with us. It's almost as if we've had an unwanted guest that won't leave. We've seen in the past 12 months an incredible amount of change in our lives, and this has brought about many emotions that without a doubt affect how investors make decisions. We've seen the serious implications of a pandemic and how it has affected the lives of everyone worldwide. We've seen the raw emotions of a nation and a world that is dealing with serious social issues. We're seeing the transition of power like never before. And yet through it all, markets seem to be looking beyond the daily headlines into what many perceive to be a very positive growth environment. The confidence that mankind will overcome these challenges is amazing. The belief that financial support is around the corner is impressive. We at Premia Global Advisors continue to monitor the development of these events and how they're perceived by investors. We look at many indicators to get a sense of what's behind the headlines and how the economy is behaving, in spite of the challenges that we see daily in the news. And what we see is a robust set of signals that indicate a recovering economy and one that is poised for some acceleration of growth. The vaccine's distribution will become more widespread, and with this, we'll regain some of the activities we so anxiously wish we had. We will see that this return to more active and comfortable social interaction will lead to greater economic activity, especially in areas that have suffered tremendously, like travel and leisure. From a portfolio standpoint, we believe we're seeing the beginning of a shift in investment direction. And by this we mean we're seeing opportunities in areas that were lagging before. Areas such as active management, undervalued sectors in companies, and a resurgence in investment opportunities in small companies. And although we have seen some signs of improvement in certain sectors of the international markets, like emerging markets, we have yet to see clear signs of growth in the developed markets. The one area where we're looking carefully is risk management. In recent years, we've seen certain sectors and asset classes do very well. As a result of this, we're concerned that a certain degree of complacency has crept into portfolio and investment management. We're concerned that what worked over the past 5 to 10 years may not work in the same way going forward. And we believe that some of the fundamental elements of investing, like diversification, rebalancing, and quality, need to be emphasized and more closely incorporated into how portfolios are being managed. Premia Global Advisors continues to incorporate an actively managed process by which we are carefully adjusting our portfolios according to these economic and social shifts. We believe having a trusted investment advisor is becoming more important than ever. Navigating these challenges will take a steady and experienced hand. We're here to be of service to you and your family and friends. Let us know how we may be of assistance during these challenging times. Please continue to stay safe and healthy, and I look forward to meeting with you in the future.